California.
Hi.
This is Margie's pad on Zuma Beach. This is where we've been all week. The deck. Into the front door over here. Here's where Margie makes her living.
Oh yes, in this beautiful office. And you know, did anyone ever tell you that a clean desk was a sign of a sick mind?
And outside of the office, living room, and the turquoise kitchen. And here's a view of the ocean. That's here. Margie's room down here. And here it is, with her own little yard outside. And this is a view of Margie's front entrance. Here's Zuma Beach.
Westward.
Alastrobe.
Right here. Carefully.
And as you can see, the security is. Here's Pacific Coast Highway. This is Pepperdine University. That's the gym right back there. Behind the arched building. Heading down the hill into real Malibu. And back there is Old Malibu Road, or the Colony as they call it. There's a new shopping center here that wasn't here when I was here 10 years ago. We are 25266. Paul Stater's old place where I started my career. This White House wasn't there, because I remember we did High Falls from there. Here's Margie's place being rebuilt. Along the riverbed here, there were about 8 houses. Because it's in a floodplain, they're not getting rebuilt.
Brand new.
That's been rebuilt?
Mm-hmm.
And then also this one here was rebuilt?
Yeah, and this one looks just exactly, almost exactly the same as it was before.
Check this out. A burnt telephone post.
Watch the steps here. There's going to be a slab. And the sink will be right here. See that? See this kitchen ceiling? That's one of the pieces. Right. And then come back there, and there were 2 surveyors. No deer, but 2 surveyors. See, Clive's idea that he had all that wall closed in because he thought, well, you don't want to look at the wire lines and you know, and the little windows are for light, but I wanted to be able to see the hill. Oh, here's the view. Look at the view.
And there's the view. It's the same architect as Pierce Brosnan has.
Perfect. Bravo. Now, Jim, you have to do one. Oh, what a pro.
Wow.
You better do 2.
This is the new downstairs that wasn't here before. This will be the office. This is the hill.
Yes, it's
With the wide angle lens. And here's a look with the regular lens. And that's where we are on the construction so far. I'll be ready in March, is it?
Yep. Are you taping right now?
Yep.
Okay.
All 3 of you.
Okay, talk to the camera.
Oh, I hope that Connor knows you when you get home. I'm sure he
Laverne,
will. Merry Christmas, Jim.
Well, it's very nice to meet you, Laverne.
Bon voyage.
Say Merry Christmas to Dawn and Marion and Suzanne and Jamie and Nikki.
Merry
Christmas, everybody.
Mary and Dawn, Suzanne, Jamie, Nikki, Anthony, Donald,
Oh,
Janice,
yeah.
Andrew. Did I miss
The
anybody?
big crew
Connor.
this year.
Connor! You missed Connor! He's our star attraction.
Okay, so say bye.
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 Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.